Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to rehearse your presentation with the coach on the PowerPoint application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should go to your home page by clicking on the first icon down below, which is supposed to be the image of a home. And then you should select from your presentations that you have already created. So click on the one that you would like to change or edit. Now tap on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on the rehearse with coach icon. Press the button start rehearsing and then press the button OK. Now you should start talking, and after that the system or the application will show the feedback here and will give you instructions and recommendations. So all you need to do is tapping on this button down below by starting start speaking, and as you can see there is this instruction: use fewer fillers like in your speech. So this is a really helpful function that you should pay attention to while you are presenting to others. As you can see, now we got the instruction that it's off to a good start, keep at it. So it's a really helpful function which will help you to develop your talking and speaking, and you can stop it anytime and finish this process by clicking on this icon next to it. If you want to end the session, click on the end session button, and as you can see there is a report of your rehearsal. It advises you to rehearse for at least 1 minute in order to better understand your speech, and so that the coach can give you better recommendations and instructions in terms of how to improve your skills of giving a presentation. So that's pretty much it for this video. You can find here charts and you can learn about your pronunciation, your pitch, and your originality. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.